Hello everyone and welcome to another Nowtrin tech video. So in this video I'm going to show you a nice feature that is in Microsoft Edge and it's called the Microsoft Edge drop feature. Now the Windows 11 build that I'm using is 25330 and this is the latest Microsoft Edge. So in order to use this feature you must have an account, for example an Outlook account, and you must be logged in into your Microsoft Edge. So I'm logged in with my account. So on the right side there's this icon here, and when you hover the mouse over it, it says drop. So I'm going to click on the drop icon. And here's where you can upload new files. You can drag and drop the files here, for example, documents, pictures, and you can also write a note to yourself. You can be logged on to another computer, and whatever you upload here and whatever you write here, you will see it in the other computer or even your mobile device once you are logged in into Microsoft Edge in your other devices or PCs. So here I can write a note to myself. I'll hit enter. So this icon here is the plus icon, and here is where I can select a file or photo to send. I just have to click on that and then I can attach a photo or a document. So I'll attach this picture, I'll click open and it's here. So I can also drag and drop a document. So I'm going to just minimize this a little. So I have a document here, I'm just going to drag it in the drop area. I'll click send and the document is attached. I can also drag pictures. So I'm going to drag a picture. I'll click send. So this is how it shows. So I can also send a link to myself. For example, a link to our website. I'll just paste the link here. Click send. So there are three dots here. When I click on that, I can delete, I can make a copy. So there's open. I'll click on open and it opens up the picture. I'll click also on the three dots and I have all these menu options here. I can delete, I can open it in folder, I can copy as a file, open with an associated app, or open with OneDrive online. Now on top here, this is the refresh icon. I'll click on that just to refresh. So there are three dots here. I'm going to click on it. So all these pictures and documents are being stored in OneDrive, and Microsoft gives you 5 gigabytes of OneDrive space free. And if you need to upgrade, you can click upgrade storage plan. So that's the drop feature that is in Microsoft Edge. So when you are logged in into Microsoft Edge in another PC or your mobile device, you're going to see all that files when you open up your Microsoft Edge browser, and it's also going to be accessible in your OneDrive. So I hope this video was helpful. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.